DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is, you know, man. Dan is back in the lab. Yeah, man. Gang, you see what we are doing today? We're back in the lab with none other than Mr. Whitaker himself, the six boss himself, Mr. Foot, Mr. Sweepstakes, Mr. Money Boy, Mr. Hey, come on, man. You don't know what time. Mr. Big Breeze. Oh, I'm tuna, man. Yeah, man, there with the six boss. The one name all know. They with Squash. You see me, I say, I'll check it out and say Squash boss. I cyber that. I cyber that, me G. Hold on there. Hey, oh, that was stop playing the six boss in the dark. Some pussy, I can stop size up in the dark. Oh, I'm tuna, man. Yeah, man. Cyber chucky dog having that. Hey, no, don't give Squash enough credit, you know. Squash be doing some things before a lot of these artists I push some mood and make some money and ray, you know. Squash thing up there, no brother. Squash I live a rapper lifestyle, you know. You see me I say, don't think no Squash start do shows, bro. We not see no shows with the dog, man. You see me, yo, when they pan around, they have to enjoy some mad music. You see me, dog got the cyber truck in the thing. No, I'm telling you, man. Probably I went all, probably buy. We don't know, we don't care. But the fact that the dog got it, big up your damn self. You see me I say, I jump right now in the track. This is Squash. All no gang. Yo, this is gonna be a banger, you know, dog. You see me? This is gonna be a banger. Land, I want banger, you know, go, let's get it.
Find my apps.
I am searching, but
Wait, what? What?
Hey Siri, where can I find my apps?
I am searching, but I can't find them.
Yo, Ziggs.
Yo, cuz.
And that's how you start off a song. That's how you start off a song, brother. I want to me tell you know, when it comes to music, you know, me big pan the intro. You see me? You see, you introduce the song, bro, me can't tell you whether the song go bad. Me can't tell you for the first couple seconds. The first 5, 10, even the first 3 seconds of a song, you can't tell if a song go bad. You see me? I say, I don't know, Joe, bro, from this, me can't tell you so this I got shot. Listen to the intro. The man got Siri. You can't find the apps, bro. They're not outside. Them inside, dog. They don't do nothing.
See all of that.
Not even Siri can't. We out in our home too now. We can't see. But Siri, not even Siri can't find none of that. Come in, man.
Hey Siri, where can I find my apps?
I am searching, but I can't find them.
Yo, Ziggs.
Yo, cuz. See all of that.
Jesus Christ. This is a money pull-up song. Squash, you're smart. This song is great. Hey, you're smart. No blow, oh boy. Hey, come in, bro. When you hear the intro, you hear that build-up, you hear the ad-libs in the back. Come on, man.
Nigga, we kept you on the days of the life.
Boy, I got Mali night. Come in. Pull up. Yeah. Yeah.
Nigga, what you talking about? Shut up.
Dog, hold on, bro. The drop, bro. Y'all can't hear what I'm hearing, you know. Cause you see, I've been doing this so long, you know. Only now hear what me I hear, you know, bro. This nigga sound like he bought a spaz. Listen to everything.
Nigga, what you talking about?
Yeah.
Bangers and he killer them out.
Yeah.
Junk your girl and fuck it in a shit out. Piece of skate.
Wait, woman nice still in a brother. Hey, woman nice in a man. Now I'm told the man, how we the bloods and skirt? We can't just go past that so fast, Squash. How is she there? How is woman there? No, man. Woman, where you gone? We can't find her. So this I'm going to take you back from the top. Come in, man. Now I'm to them.
Nigga, what you talking about? Shut up. Bangers and he killer them out.
Yeah.
Junk your girl and fuck it in a
easy.
shit out. Piece of skate me day in your town.
Piece of skate me in on the town.
I know me can't see them. I know me can't see them.
Yeah.
I know me can't see them.
Yeah.
I know me can't see them. 6 4 1 Bronx. Me a search them like Siri. White plane send up the drone. Outside, now see them. Rascal them the home.
Outside I search them like Siri. Send up a drone. I want it. No dog. This man, yo, hey. I squash ups in a shame. Come in.
641 Bronx. Me I search them like Siri, white planes send up the Joan. Outside, now see them rascal, them the
Boom.
Wanna pull up, fuck them go ghost. Shell the bar and tell your bitch to take off every clothes.
Jesus. Come in, man. I'm tear, man. Hey. Shit, that song a bad, bro. Yeah, I'm not shame. You man talk to no, bro. I'm not shame. Come in. Okay, man living rich, bro. Oh, I'm telling you, man. That got it for true. No capping.
White planes send up the Joan. Outside, now see them rascal,
them the home.
Wanna pull up, fuck them go ghost. Shell the bar and tell your bitch to take off every clothes.
Jeez and peace and a regular. Come
Pull
in.
up, pussy them not close. Wanna pull up, sister them go ghost. Pull up. Stop it, cap lock. Ruin a man.
Stop it, cap lock. I'm telling you.
Nigga, what you talking about? Shut up. Bangers and he killer them out. Junk your girl and fuck it in a shit out. Beast a skate me day in on your town.
Beast a skate. I want to know one of them. We can't sue no.
I know me can't see them. I know me can't see them. I know me can't see them. I know me can't see them.
Mad. Come in.
Bang line.
Yeah.
Coke we have a transport. Yeah. Fat pussy girl me on it like a ram goat.
Woo.
Take you wood. Should be down in your damn throat.
Which is right? Come on.
More than the money like I'm in no look no handout. See me cleaning, I'm a Fendi, I'm a stand up.
Yeah.
Yo, Salky, New York, we have the bankroll.
Yeah.
Big diamond chain, me give me Empress. Run up on the 6 pussy, all me left
Endless. Woo! Woo! Come on, bro. Come on. Stop playing this. Stop playing with squash, bro. Squash been on a roll, nigga. Hits after hits. Bangers after bangers. I'm stop. Come on, man. This man needs shows now. Squash, you need shows, bro. I'm not gonna stop telling you that. Come on.
I'm a Fendi, I'm a stand up.
Yeah.
Yo, Salky, New York, we have the bankroll.
Yeah.
Big diamond chain, me give me Empress.
Yeah.
Run up on the 6 pussy, all me
Left
left
your headless.
Nigga, what you
Talking
talking
about.
Shut up. Bangers and he killer them out. Jump your girl and fuck it in a shit out. Beast a skate me day in a your town. So what are they? I know me can't see them. I know me can't see them.
Beast a skate. How are there? We're not on the town, you know. Can't see no. Come on.
I know me can't see them. I know me can't see them.
Gotta make it out. I'm gonna take that ride.
Jump your girl up. Easy.
Make it. Gonna take it. Gotta make it out. I'm gonna take that ride.
Yeah.
Gotta make it.
Yeah. Nigga, what you talking about? Easy now, man. Jeez. Let's get it. Niggas, what you talking about? Six bars not missing up. 6 bars don't miss. You have to give Squash him credit. You have to give Squash him credit, man. You see me? Give credit where credit is due. When this man say I make bangers, I make bangers. When I make hit, I make hits. You see me? The consistency is there. You see me? Right now, I think Cartel just say, yo, go. Yo! See, right now, since Cartel touch back road, I think, like, Squash get a new inspiration. You see me? I get a new drive. Like, you can get a new challenge. You see me? You get a new drive, new inspiration. Like that in go mode right now. You see me? I say, I say, yo, when Cartel start ready for drop, you know. You see me? I say, but right now, Squash! Come on, man. Bangers, man. Bangers. Yeah, man, gang. Drop no comments in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. See me if I like you. Show the artists some love and support. Make you know so they dance anyway. You see me? I say, gang. Let me know what your favorite part. Beats, lyrics, melody, all that. The gal them. You see me? Yeah. Yeah, that's what I heard, but let me know what your favorite part. Let's get a discourse going. Let's get some dialogue going, man. Let's talk about it. Drop your request so you can get your shout out. All that good stuff. Oh yeah, gang, before I go, man, I wanna tell y'all, man. If nobody now gonna tell you, man. All the youths them, because I know some got enough youths viewers and subscribers. You see me, I say? You see me? So I want to tell them, say, yo, make sure. You see them 2 plat there me have in the background, right? Yeah, me always look upon them, yeah. I always remember them. You see me, I say, and try to use it for your motivation and keep it in the back of my mind. You see me, I say? So, the first one over here say, yo, follow your dreams. You see me I say? And the way to following your dreams, things might get difficult, you know. You see me? So, but don't give up, because guess what? Great things take time. You see me I say? And great things take time. So because great things take time, you want to make sure you make every day count. You see me I say? Yeah, man. If I even buy a if you make progress even by an inch, you see me? You do better than yesterday. And if you give yourself credit, you see me? If I make progress even by an inch, you see me I say? And you see next block over here, sir? The one that say, yo, excuses are for the weak. You see me? Whatever you want, you can get it. No matter nobody tell you nothing. You see me? Any obstacle coming in your way, you can overcome that. No matter what it is. You see me? I say, yeah, man. It says, hard work be talent. So don't watch nobody. If you probably see somebody do something and say, yo, they have more talent than me or they're more skilled than me. Don't watch that. Because if you put in enough work and put in enough time and effort, you can be better than the person who born naturally be able to do the same thing. You see me? I say, yeah, man. And they said, think outside of the box. You see me? Think outside of the box. Always trying to think of different ways to approach a problem or a situation. You see me? If this is the normal way of people generally take care of it, and you say, yo, take care of a situation in a work that well or this, try to see if there's a better way of doing stuff. You see me? I'm going about stuff. But always try to think outside the box. Don't box yourself in. Yeah, more than one way to solve a problem. You see me? Basically. You see me? I say so. Yeah, man, gang. Keep those in mind. You see me? I say, also, don't know. Always seek knowledge and improvement. You see me? I said, but reading alone now got the help. You have put in action and work behind it. You see me? I said, yeah, man. So, but these are two books I read right now. You see me? I put it in anyway. But Atomic Habits and The Way of the Superior Man. So check those out, or check some book out that you've always wanted to read. You see me? I say, and go do it, man. Whatever you want to do it. One life you have to live it to the fullest. You see me? Yeah, that's it, gang. That's all I have to say. But yeah, man, hit like and subscribe. And till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Most important part, each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.